Dad?
Yes, Kemi?
Dad, you need to halt the new Lagos project at Makoko.
What's the matter, Kemi? Are contractors incompetent?
It's not safe, Daddy.
Kemi, what's not safe, the project or the site?
You have to listen to me, Dad.
Kemi, what's going on? Have you gone mad all of a sudden?
I'm not who you think I am.
Kemi, are you okay, my dear? You're my daughter, for God's sake.
I'm a reincarnate and I hear the waters. I talk to the land and it moves. I am Kruna, the land gatekeeper. No! Oh.
Hey, Kay. Hey, good morning. You're home? I am driving to your place now. Hi.
Kay,
Why are you here so early? It's like 7:30ish or 8?
I just came to check on you, babe. Is that so wrong?
Come on, really, why did you come to see me, Tunde?
It's about yesterday.
Oh, what? I really don't know how to explain what happened yesterday with the whole building shaking.
Kay, no. It's about the bridge.
Yeah, it's taking a toll on me. It was traumatic.
And why are you asking what I'm doing here repeatedly as if I'm no longer welcomed in here? I am your boyfriend.
A lot has happened.
Kemi, ever since the bridge incidents, you've been different.
How do you mean?
We don't talk like we used to. You disappear from the office midday and no one knows your whereabouts. You get easily irritated.
Wow. Are you monitoring me?
You're the chairman's daughter and all eyes are on you. Your behavior lately is questionable. No one else has the courage to tell you. I'm not just doing this for Green Heights. I'm pointing it out because I care.
All right, fine. You really want to know the truth?
Of course, Kay. You know I won't judge.
I'm no longer interested in the new Lagos project.
You're kidding, right?
No, babe. I'm not kidding.
You're not?
And I need Green Heights to let this project go.
Hell no, Kay. No, but why? What really happened on that bridge, Kay?
It's not safe out there.
So just because you suddenly became uninterested for reasons best known to you, everyone should just follow your whim.
My what?
Over 200 billion has gone into your project already, and we're not anywhere near done and we should just let it go?
I think you should leave.
I'm going to see to it that that project is and remains on and done and there's nothing you can do about it.
Leave my house, Tunde Kilani.
I don't know what has possessed you. You need to go for therapy, Kay.
Just get out!
Keep it steady, watch the vortex. There, man, step climbing up. Next bucket, don't get close. Got it, we're back. Good pace, keep filling. Look at that sand pile. Yeah, filling up quick. Good day's work, for sure. Did you feel that? Yeah. What was that? Continue to pump it, keep it going. It's jerking, watch that large spark. Continue, don't stop. We hit something that shouldn't be there!
Sir, the public is asking questions. Increase security, continue dredging. Lagos does not stop for superstition that we cannot build on the lagoon.
An anomaly occurred at dredging site of the new Lagos project by Green Heights at Makoko community. Many people are saying that the lagoon is angry and reacting.
Not here.
The locals say that there's a force preventing any meaningful development on the lagoon. Several attempts have been made in the past. Will the new Lagos project see the light of day, or is this where the
Line busy for the second time?
journey ends for the development of the Makoko area?
Oye, things are actually happening faster than I thought.
Because you're fighting it.
I didn't ask for this.
Neither did the lagoon, but it still carries the weight.
This whole thing, the lagoon, covenant, the whole damn thing is driving me insane.
I completely understand.
No, you don't. Everything I am and everything I know is all crashing down for this.
When it's time, you'll know.
Oh, please, stop. You're not helping. Why me? Why me? Out of all the people in the world, why does it have to be me? Is my whole life as I know it about to come to an end?
Good afternoon, sir. Tunde, how are you today? What brings you to my office? Sir, it's about Kemi. I'm not interested in lover's quarrel. It's work-related, sir. Really? Okay. Did she do something wrong? With all due respect, sir, have you noticed anything unusual about Kemi's behavior lately? You said it was work-related. Yes, sir. It actually is. So who is concerned about her? Kemi has a pile-up of pending approvals from managers. She is hardly in the office, mostly absent-minded during meetings, and generally nonchalant about the new Lagos project. I find this hard to believe, Tunde. Kemi is very passionate about her project. She's been in and out of Makoko these days. You ought to have confronted her with this first before coming to me. I did, sir, and whatever passion she had for the project is completely gone. She told you that? All I know is that the conversation I had with her concerning this didn't end well. She asked me to leave her house. I need to have a word with her immediately. She's not in the office premises, sir. Please, get my phone from the table over there. I don't think you will be able to reach her, sir. The network reception at Makoko is not as strong. Tunde, thank you very much for your concern. I'll take it up from here. Sir, I fully understand the obligations you have towards your partners concerning this Makoko dream. And for the sake of the company and your reputation, I wouldn't mind leading the new Lagos project. Thank you, Tunde. Good day. Ma'am, long day?
You have no idea.
What can I get you?
Something strong.
I come here when my clients underpay me. What about you?
I'm carrying the weight of the world on my shoulders. How's that for a start of my first glass of whiskey?
Interesting. I like you.
Nah, you don't.
More shots for the lady here, please. Let's be miserable together.
You and who are miserable?
What do you expect? Lagos is filled with mad and crazy people.
Morning
That's so hilarious.
my chest still heavy, phone keys buzzing, I let it ring. All these voices pulling at me, I just want silence, I want one thing. Give me a night that ain't about proving, give me a touch that ain't keeping score. Every promise lately feels confusing, I just want feeling, nothing more. Tired of acting like I'm fine, mask on, but it cuts my mind. If I stay here, I might drown, so I'm stepping out right now. I wanna be free, just for a moment, living in now, forget what I owe them. Bittersweet rhythm on my skin, I own it. Tonight I breathe, tonight I breathe. I wanna be wild, just for a second, lose all the weight I keep on my shoulders. If it's wrong, I'll pray about it later. Tonight I'm here, this moment is mine. Lip gloss shining, dress on my body, I see my shadow start to sway. Every heartbeat, fighting for glory, telling my worries not today. They said, girl, be good, be humble, smile soft, don't raise your tone. But this fire in my chest might rumble, I'm done dancing in my own world.
Oh my God.
It has begun.
She was standing in the shallows, I was hidden in the ground. They wrote our names in the sand, said we broke an ancient vow. We were lovers, not the keepers, but we're the only guardians now. Every drought, every flood, we return from the dust and the mud. Hear the drum in the ground, it's the curse that keeps calling us out. We are tired and trapped.